If you're trying to install games on your Xbox app or Xbox Game Pass on your Windows 11 PC and you encounter installation errors like 0x8007000424, then this could be happening because your Xbox app is damaged or corrupt. So follow the instructions of this video to learn how to repair your Xbox app in a quick and easy way, so you can install your games again. In the first solution, we'll repair or reset your Xbox app to see if this solves your issues. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate the Xbox app. Click on the three dots to open the Xbox app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Xbox app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Xbox app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If the Xbox app is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. Press Reset again. In the next solution, we will reinstall your Xbox app to delete all the corrupt files. If Xbox app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. First, press Uninstall. The Xbox app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Xbox app again. Search for Xbox. Click on Xbox app. Press the Get button to start downloading the Xbox app. Wait for Xbox app to be downloaded and installed. Now your Xbox app should be installed. Now open your Xbox app. Now type in your Xbox app login info. In the next solution, we'll use the Microsoft Store troubleshooter since it's connected to your Microsoft Store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.